All right, amazing ulit. Amazing morning, Team Optimist. So tonight's or today's topic is how to rank up. Yes, Mens? Okay. So how to rank up and upgrade, not or, but upgrade then. So two options for a higher income. Right? Okay. So thank you for joining Mentor Dan from Thailand. So worldwide talaga tayo, no? So let's keep sharing hope kasi ang laki ng market natin again. So I'll go ahead and share my screen para start na tayo. Okay. Ready na ba ang lahat? Type I am ready muna bago ako mag-share screen. Yes, Miss Leia. That's okay po. Off cam. Basta nakapakinig or listening. All right. Ready na si Miss Janet, Miss Dora, Miss Cynthia, Miss Leia, si Miss Rubio. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. So, share screen na ako. Okay. So, IDBP ito ang rank up kasi is part of I am worldwide detailed business presentation yung ibig sabihin yan. And itong slides na to is from mentor Grace, Precious Grace Capili. So, credit to sa kanya. Ayan. So, this is the steps to success, yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. So, just to give you yung ating, kung ano yung i-discuss exactly, is going to be, let's see, 1 second. All right. Keynote kasi itong gamit ko, kaya hindi siya PowerPoint. Okay. So, we're going to discuss yung importance ng rank up. How to rank up from copper to platinum or to higher rank or package. Kung nasa lower package or associate package, pa kayo pag-uusapan natin kung ano yung associate and yung executive package. All right? And then, how to rank up gold to sapphire and then to higher ranks ruby to emerald and to be diamond. Diba? So, ask ko muna real quick, what is your ultimate goal? Ano yung pinaka-goal mo dito sa I Am Worldwide? Yung pinaka-malaki or highest goal mo na? Patype naman. Ako talaga, definitely, that's why we're doing this. Building tayo ng team to diamond rank. Yes, diamond star reveal. So, ang kagandahan dito sa I Am Worldwide, the rank-based company siya. So, ibig sabihin, the higher your rank, the higher your income. Diba? So, yun yung ultimate goal natin, yung mag-rank up talaga. So, alright. So, sino na? Si Mentor B lang ba? Ano yung pinaka-ultimate goal mo? Sige, bigyan ko kayo ng other or goals. Or yung ultimate goal is either gusto mong maging one of the owners ng business centers ni I Am Worldwide. Could be sa lugar mo or sa ibang bansa. Diba? Or diamond rank, crown alpha mentor. Diba? To have an empire na talagang ang laki na ng team mo. Ayan, si Mentor Evelyn is Ruby. Diamond rank, yay! Miss Janet, yes. Miss Evelyn. Yes, build the team, Miss Janet. Step by step to diamond rank, yes. Ultimate natin na goal yan. No? So, and that's the reason para makuha natin yung goal na yan is pag-usapan natin yan kung how to get there. Diba? Okay. So, next slide tayo. 1 sec. All right. Thank you sa mga nag-participate sa chat. Okay, so now let's talk about this. So, sa ultimate goal natin,
Oh, yeah.
goal natin na mapunta dito or
Oh,
magkaroon
yeah.
ng kalaki ng team, di ba? Sino may gusto ng ganito kalaki yung team, yung pang Araneta Coliseum na? May naatinan akong isang training. One of his goal is to magkaroon ng event na i-hold sa Araneta Coliseum. Diba? So big dream talaga tayo. Kasi I know some of you heard already yung build ka ng big dream. Kasi kung hindi mo man maabot yun, at least you will still land on the stars. Na alam niyo ba yung, hindi ko lang matandaan yung whole na phrase na yan. But yes, big dreams lang tayo kasi maglaland pa rin tayo sa big, hindi man siya yung pinaka-ultimate mo, but at least you're still in the, kumbaga, yung within the within the type of goal or level na gusto mo. Diba? If you know what I mean. All right. So, all right. So here, ito yung vision and goals natin. No, wag tayong mag-dream ng small dreams lang na mag-mover lang. Kasi the higher, yun nga, the higher yung goal natin. Mailalabas natin yung capabilities natin na we thought we cannot do, di ba? So, huwag ka lang matakot. All right, so there are reasons why we should rank up. I will keep doing this kasi ganitohin ko na lang. Kasi keynote siya, so hindi ko siya maano. So, higher commissions, of course, di ba? Andito tayo, I know some of you, may trabaho pa. So, we're doing I Am Worldwide, nag-join ka din dito because you want an extra income. No? So, which is definitely kayang ibigay ni I Am Worldwide sa'yo, sa atin, because of our 13 ways to earn. Basta effort and commitment lang. So, higher commissions, higher maximum per week income. This is yung pag-rank up natin, makukuha natin yung maximum per week income basta higher yung rank mo. And papakita ko mamaya kung ano man yun or how much. All right, so of course, more compensation plan or ma-maximize mo yung 13 ways to earn kapag nag-rank up ka, especially if mover ka na. And mover again is meron ka na napa-join sa left mo at sa right mo. Okay? And then creates momentum kasi we need to keep going, no? Kailangan meron tayong results or activities every day or every month or every week. Kailangan meron tayong ginagawa. And then it enhances goal-getting capacity and character. So, na-enhance yung ugali mo, no? Yung attitude mo din when you're ranking up. Kasi the more na marami kang tao or yung mga downlines mo or mga business partners mo na makakasalamuha mo. Diba? And then it enhances team building. So, andun yan. Talagang when you're ranking up, that's one of the biggest reason is magkaroon ng big team. Just like nasa na-mention ni Mentor Janet kanina. Intentionally creates leaders. Yes, that's what we're doing sa Team Optimist. And yung mga meron na ring team names is starting doing na rin yan. So I'm so proud of you. Keep doing it. We're in this together. Ika nga, diba? Intentionally getting your 6 digits or 7 digits. So, ang dami na sa team natin, mga 6-figure income earners na. So we have one officially na 7-digit or millionaire. And then si Mentor Dennis, if andito ka. And then one coming. Be excited kung sino siya. I think I know alam niyo na kung sino. Right? So malapit na yan. Actually, ready na. I-click some clickings na lang para mag 1M na siya. And then aligning your daily activities to who you want to be 3 to 5 years. Again, long-term business to, no? And basta continue ka lang 3 to 5 years, magkakaroon ka ng resulta. I can attest to that kasi 3 years na tayo, 3 years ng team. From me down the line, may resulta na talaga. And that's you na nandito ngayon. May mga millionaires na and then mga elites. So congratulations mga mens. And we have here practice of delayed gratification and long-term mindset. Delayed gratification, which is kung gusto mo talagang mag-rank up, you can sacrifice yung one night mo, or Friday night mo na hindi mo na mag nightclub maybe. Hopefully wala naman na nagna-nightclub dito. Kundi mag-share ng hope instead. So, yan. Bakit ko na-mention yung nightclub? Kasi isa tayo doon and a good thing is dahil nandito tayo sa ganitong industry, sa IM World, especially itong company na to, at support system ng mga mentors natin. At of course, trust ng business partners natin and downlines natin, ang daming nabago. So, it's more on talagang may purpose, na ginagawa natin ito. So, ayan. All right. So, let me go ahead and next tayo. I think gawin ko na lang siyang, let me see. Alright, balik lang tayo mga mens. Thank you sa patience. Okay. Alright, so let's talk about yung associate package. So associate package, yun yung mga lower packages natin. Yan yung copper, bronze, at saka silver. And itong nakikita mong 10,000 per week, 20,000 per week, and 25,000 sa silver, ito yung na-mention ko kanina na reason ng rank up is to have a maximum weekly income. But it only talks about sa sales match commission lang to alone. Hindi kasama yung iba. Kasi yung sales match commission natin merong ceiling or cap ng income. Kasi depende yan sa package mo at saka sa rank mo. So kung copper ka, hindi ka nag-rank up, tapos pero may mga tao ka na sa baba, tapos ang laki na ng sales match commission mo, imbis na nagti-20,000 per week ka na sana, but since copper pa yung account mo, 10,000 pesos lang yung makukuha mo in that week. And then pag bronze is 20,000, silver is 25,000. So that's why you have to rank up. Sino pa dito yung copper, bronze, and silver package holder? I'm not trying to, just to give a point na you need to talagang mag-rank up. Okay? So, kung silver ka, rank up ka to higher package. Now, ito naman yung tinatawag natin na executive package. Ito na yung higher package. Yan yung gold, platinum, tsaka jade. Alright, so dapat yung account mo nandito na. Either gold, platinum, or jade. Kasi hindi ka mapupunta sa elite rank. Ang next kasi niyan is elite executive rank. Ito na yung sapphire to crown alpha mentor. Alright, so again, itong copper, bronze, and silver associate packages yan. Executive packages, ito yung gold, platinum, tsaka jade. So, as nakikita nyo merong titanium, hindi siya ino-offer na package kasi 6 lang packages natin na ino-offer, di ba? Pero andyan pa rin yung titanium just for the rank up purposes lang yan. So let's say meron kang napa-join gold package holder ka, may napa-join kang 3 executive accounts or packages, rank up ka titanium. Wala lang package na ino-offer na titanium. Okay? And then, ito yung pinaka-goal natin, yung maging part ng elite executive rank, which is starting sa sapphire to higher rank. Okay, kasi dito, hindi ka kasi mapupunta sa elite ranking hanggat hindi ka sa executive rank. So, by steps yan, associate, executive, and then elite rank. So, hindi ka nakakapunta sa elite executive rank kung account mo copper, bronze, or silver. Right? Kasi magdadaan ka muna sa executive. That's why sa mga copper, bronze, or silver, kung may plan kang mag-upgrade, upgrade ka na diretso sa gold at least. Kasi not only para ready ka na to sapphire or higher rank or higher elite rank, but also para meron kang just for you bonus. Ayun yung pinaka, din, para eligible ka to have just for you bonus. Kasi pag nandito ka na sa at least gold account, cover mo na rin yung Give Me 5 bonus. Diba? Kasi higher yung package mo. Alright? So, balik tayo dito. Ang maximum weekly sales match commission naman pag gold ka is 50,000. 100,000 pag platinum yung account mo. And then jade is 150,000. Pag nag-rank up ka to elite or sapphire, at least kung kaya mong not just gold, is kaya mong ma-platinum yung account mo or jade account ka. Ginawa ko to, nag-rank up ako from gold to platinum, so 5 yung napa-join ko. That's why nag-platinum yung account natin. Kasi the reason why is para mag-sapphire ka. Pag kasi nag-sapphire ka, it would be good kung na-maintain mo yung sapphire na, alam mo yung reheat sapphire na naririnig natin, na every month, maririhit mo yung sapphire or sapphire ka lagi every month, which means nakukuha mo yung 7,000 RQB left and right. Pag hindi mo siya narihit ng 7,000 left and right at least or sapphire, bababa ka sa package mo. Sa pay rank naman siya. So, kung hindi mo marihit yung sapphire, kung at least platinum yung account mo, yung weekly maximum mo is 100,000 pa rin. Or kaya jade is 150,000. Okay pa din naman kung gold, 50,000 ka dun. Pero kung kaya namang platinum or jade, much better. So let me show you my Miss Dora. Pwede ka bang okay lang ba na mag-login ka sa account mo kahit hindi mo lang i-show yung gross amount mo? I-co-host kita para meron tayong ano. And then share screen, Mens, if you can. Kung okay lang makita yung income mo, that's good. Meron tayong demonstration ngayon. Okay, stop share mo na ako. Kaya mong ma-share yung, login ka muna sa online account mo and then share screen ka. Yung dashboard lang yung gusto ko makita.
Sa Google.
Kasi you know, si Ms. Maribel may ano eh.
Login.
Yeah.
Okay lang. Mabagal ang internet. Ayan.
Ayan. Hold on.
Kita na po. O, hindi pa.
Hindi pa, Mens.
Isi-share screen.
Share screen ka.
Paano ba ulit ako pupunta sa Paano ko pupunta dito? Exit maximize. Ayan. Share screen. Share some. And share screen.
Following ba lahat mga mens while waiting sa share screen? Ka-follow naman sa ano no? Yung sa associate, executive, and elite. Ayan.
Ayan. Kita na po.
Wow, 300K na si Mentor Dora. Pinapalakpakan yan.
Ayan. Ayan.
Okay. So, scroll up ka a bit, mens. Scroll up. Yan. So, nakikita nyo mga mens, ay yung package, position, pay rank, at saka title rank. Diba? Following bang lahat? Pa-thumbs up po ako mga mens kung dito kayo. Okay, perfect. Thank you. So, yung title rank na Sapphire ni Mentor Dora, permanent na yan. Unless rank up ka to higher, then that will change to either Ruby to higher. Okay, so permanent yan, hindi mawawala. Ang mag-change at pati yung package mo is
Yes.
magmi-maintain yan kung ano yung package mo talaga. Pero
Itong
yung pay rank, yes, yan.
Yes.
Yung pay rank,
Pay
yun
rank.
yung mag-change. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina na
Yes po.
kapag hindi mo na-reheat yung Sapphire or hindi mo na-maintain na nag-Sapphire ka every month, babalik
Yes.
yung pay rank mo sa kung ano yung package. Like kay Mentor
Yes.
Dora ngayon, di ba Sapphire siya? So, hindi niya na-maintain yung pag-Sapphire or Sapphire requirements niya in a month. So, that's why yung pay rank niya is platinum kasi yun yung package na binili niya. So,
Okay.
that's why if kaya mong either upgrade o yung package mo talaga diretso sa platinum or jade, and that's good. Kasi pag hindi mo na-reheat yung Sapphire, balik ka sa pay rank mo na platinum, which is malaki pa rin. Diba? Kahit hindi mo na-reheat yung Sapphire. Thank you, Mentor Dora.
Okay po. Stop share ka na naman.
Yes, stop sharing. Thank you so much.
Okay po.
Okay, so balik ako sa presentation natin. Alright, so good tayo sa maximum per week. Right? So maximum per week, yes, it has to do with the sa rank up talaga. Alright, so ito naman ito yung ilo-look up natin na kailangan nating makuha. No? So from Sapphire, ibig sabihin level 1 pa yan. Level 2, Ruby, level 3, and so on. Emerald, Diamond, Blue Diamond, Black Diamond, Crown Alpha Diamond. Crown Diamond, tsaka Crown Alpha Diamond, yung pinaka-last. Currently, sa I Am Worldwide, Black Diamond pa lang yung na-hit. So wala pang nakahit ng Crown Diamond, tsaka Crown Alpha Diamond. Pag may nakahit na ng Crown Alpha Diamond, sabi nila press, dadagdag ng another rank yan sila. So, that's good. Nakaka-excite din. So, balik tayo dito. Okay. So, itong chart na to, rank up. I-share screen ako, di ba? Okay. Alright. So, ito yung pinaka-easiest way na kumbaga mapa mo para kung saan ka or kung ano yung account mo, kung ano yung kailangan mong i-hit. So again, from Copper, real quick, sa rank up, unang-una, I wanted to mention yung RQV. Ito yung pinaka-main na requirements para mag-rank up sa Elite Executive Ranking. Okay? So, alright. So, before ko i-mention yung RQV, let's start with associate rank up muna. So, kung copper package ka ngayon, next goal mo, kung gusto mo talagang step by step, for you to rank up to bronze o yung next level, is kailangan mo lang ng 3. And in order for you, yung rank up natin, every month siya kailangang ma-hit. So, let's say copper ka ngayon. So, next month, June, kailangan mong may pa-join na 3 any packages para maging bronze account yung account mo. Pero kung kaya mong 5, rank up ka to silver. At kung kaya mo naman ng 8 any packages, plus meron ka lang, meron kang mover sa left mo at saka sa right mo. Again, yung mover mo, yung merong nag-move, yung merong isa sa left at isa sa right. So may nag-mover sa left mo na downline mo mismo o yung invite mo o yung DR mo sa left and right mo. Pero that would be a lot of effort kung diretso ka sa goal, di ba? Kasi ang laki ng kailangan. Ang gawin mo na lang is step by step ka. So from copper to bronze ka. And then the next month, pag bronze na yung account mo, ang next goal mo is mag-silver. So another 3 ulit in that month. So kailangan within 1 month mo siya makuha. And then in the next month, on the 3rd month, dahil silver na yung account mo, di ba? So silver 2.0, wala yung silver lang. Dapat silver 2.0 yung active dito. So kung silver 2.0 ka na, goal mo ulit 3 na naman para mag-gold. Rank up ka. Diba? So parang easy and hindi masyadong ma-effort kasi 3 lang every month. So ito yung i-explain natin sa mga downlines natin. If, kumbaga 3 lang in 1 month, rank up sila. Okay? Kung copper or bronze or silver sila. So let's see. Sino dito ang... Okay. Meron pa ba dito, like let's say si downline ni Mentor Janet, si Diana, supposed to be mag-join ngayon. So means Janet, paano na lang. So silver siya, so need niya lang 3 mapa-join niya in 1 month. Let's say next month niya gustong gawin, then 3 lang need niya para mag-gold siya. O kung kaya pa, maaga pa naman, meron pang 10 days or 10 days ba? May is until 31, so 11 days or at least 10 days or 9 days. Meron pa siyang 9 days para makapa-join ng 3 para rank up siya to gold. So it has to be this month. Alright? And dito, I know si Mentor or si Joe and si Charlotte gold package holder sila. Or Ms. Joe, since andito ka, if gusto mong mag-rank up to higher or platinum, kailangan mo lang ng 5 executive account, meaning may mapa-join ka na either 5 gold or combination of gold, platinum, or jade packages. Right? So 5. Or kung hindi, or kung again, much better na upgraded din yung account if bago ka within your first year, within 1 year mo dito sa IM Worldwide, pwede ka mag-upgrade twice, 2 beses within your first year. Okay? Kasi malaki ang benefits pag malaki yung income mo. Dahil din sa Just For You bonuses. Okay? So, okay. So, let's see. So, nasa executive or napag-usapan na natin yung executive account. Let's go and move on to elite executive ranking. So, sino dito nag-goal na mag-sapphire or higher rank? I know si Mens Evelyn, yung mga, of course, mga sapphire na dito. Gold, and myself included, of course, is higher rank na, right? So, mention natin yung mga sapphires dito, Mentor Dora Tan, Mentor Evelyn, Mentor Maribeth Navarro or Ruby Elite Executive, Mentor Janet Tuazon, no? So, and Mentor Edmond, andito. So, sino dito ang nag-goal? May goal setting na rin dito, ano? Sino ang nag-goal dito ng Sapphire? Pa-type ng, ayan, Mentor Review, ayan. Sino pa, Mens? Ang gustong mag-Sapphire dito? Mentor Mabel, yes. Sino pa? Ito yung ang Sapphire is yun yung first level na kailangan andyan na tayo, no? Because that means makakabuo ka, that will be your start na makakabuo ka ng team mo, sarili mong team. And yes, Ms. Janet Ruby. And then Ms. Cynthia, of course, Sapphire, di ba? So, sa Sapphire, dito na tayo, dito ko na i-mention about sa RQV. I know some of you, lalo na yung mga nag-google na ng Sapphire, alam na yung requirements. Unang-unang pinaka-main na need is yung RQV. RQV means ito nasa sa ibaba yung meaning niya, rank qualifying volume. So if you see something here na mga need abbreviation nasa baba yan or nandito sa gilid. So RQV, ito yung kumbaga points na need mo or points ng every packages na pumapasok. So sa rank up to elite rank or Sapphire to higher, need mo kailangang i-check yung RQV. And every package na magjo-join, copper is 100 points yan, bronze is 200, silver 2.0 is 400, gold is 1,000 points, titanium is, I'm sorry, no titanium, but platinum is 2.8, jade is 4,000. Okay, so isa-isahin natin yung Sapphire requirements. So ang benefit naman nito pag nag-Sapphire ka, lalaki yung weekly sales match commission mo. Just like sina-mention natin kanina, yung pay rank na pinakita natin sa account ni Mentor Dora, dito yon. But again, itong ceiling or yung ceiling niya or maximum is just the sales match commission lang. Ito yung SMC, sales match commission yan, safety net niya. Ibig sabihin yung hindi kasama yung ibang ways to earn natin. Okay, sa sales match lang yan. So, now, ang next na requirements, ang first requirement is to have executive direct referrals or yung own mo na pa-join. So, need mo ng 4 active direct referrals na ilalagay mo dalawa sa left, dalawa sa right. Okay, so again, executive, it should be, meron kang napa-join na either gold, platinum, or jade. Dalawa sa left, could be combination, gold and platinum sa left, jade and platinum sa right, or basta meron yun, gold, platinum, or jade. Okay, and then kailangan meron kang movers. And again, mover is meron nang nag-mover na downline mo sa left at saka sa right mo, kahit isa lang. Alright, and then next is yun na yung RQV, rank qualifying volume. So, I recommend na i-hit mo na yung mga ubang requirements, tapusin mo itong requirements na to, yung may nag-mover left and right, tapos executives, dalawa sa left, dalawa sa right, kasi nagro-roll over yan. Ibig sabihin, kahit matagal mo na yung na-hit, like maybe the first month mo, magkukontinue yan every month. The only thing na hindi magro-roll over or hindi magko-continue is yung RQV kasi it has to be ma-achieve within the month na nag-hit ka. So let's say next month, June, ang plano mo mag-Sapphire. Alright, so make sure na meron ka ng dalawang executive sa left, dalawang executive sa right. Machi-check mo yan, go to your online account, meron doon reports and then direct referral reports or summary. Makikita mo doon yung mga directs mo at kung anong side sila kung nakalimutan mo na. Okay, and then makikita mo din yung kung sino nang nag-mover sa'yo or you confirm kung sino talagang nag-mover. Punta ka sa reports and then meron doon mover summary. to confirm kung sino na. So, kung tapos na yan, ito na lang yung kailangan mong kumplituhin. But also, pag nag-sapphire ka on that month, make sure na nakapag-maintenance ka din. At least 4 barley or 400 points na uni-level points. 4 boxes of barley. Kasi ang sapphire is 4 ang need. Okay, so 7,000 left and right. So, as you can see here, yung jade is 4,000, di ba? You can either do, maraming na nakagawa nito na, kumbaga, ito ding requirements na for executives, kumbaga, ginawa nila in 1 month, kumbaga, inisa na, kasi din sa, hindi nagro-roll over yung RQV. So, kapag may nag-join na sa'yo ng jade or malaking package in that month, do your best na matapos mo yan lahat kasi sayang yung RQV na yan. Kasi mag-i-start over ka kasi the next month. Hindi mo madadala yung RQV na yan the next month. Okay, so you can either, pinakamadali, I know it would be big effort na gawin, but it could be dalawang jade sa right, dalawang jade sa left. That will give you 8,000 RQV, right? Kasi jade is 4,000. So, hindi lang sakto, pero sobra yung RQV mo. Diba? Or you can do 1 jade and then 1 platinum, both left and right. So, it will give you 6,800 RQV. So, kulang ka pa ng 200. It's either mag-add ka ng bronze or may mapajoin ka ng bronze or dalawang copper to make it a total of 7,000 RQV. But again, pag nag-hit ka ng sapphire, get with your direct mentor or you can always message me. Okay, so left and right yan, 7,000. Again, kung hindi mo kinaya on that month, meron ka nang mapajoin na 5,000 RQV, left and right, hindi mo siya kayang mabuo ng 7,000. Ang mangyayari the next month, kung i-google mo ulit na mag-sapphire, back to 0 ka. So, yung 5,000 hindi mo madadala. Kasi again, within calendar, yung RQV. So, the next month, start over ka 0 ulit, magbubuo ka na naman ng 7,000. That's why we're pushing you na pag meron ka ng mga RQV talaga is i-hit mo na, itodo mo na on that month na makuha yung elite rank mo. Kasi business naman to, babalik at babalik naman yan. Depende sa strategy mo. Alright? So, yes, Mentor John, may mag-mover kung sa sapphire rank, yung question mo. Yes, merong mag-mover sa left and mover sa right. Isa. Yan. So, it has to be your downline or yung napa-join mo, hindi downline ang downline mo. Any questions dito sa pag-sapphire? So, meron akong other way to show that sa sapphire, ito yan. So, again, to executive, mover maker ka, ibig sabihin merong nag-mover sa left, merong nag-mover sa right mo. Right? So, your RQV could be looking like this. Merong platinum, 2,800 yan. Merong nag-join ng gold. So, that's 3,800, di ba? So, let's say maraming nag-join sa'yo na silver. So, let's say 2, 4, 6, 8, 8 silvers times 400. So, as long as it will total to 7,000. Okay, and then same sa kabila. Could be higher packages as long as complete 7,000 RQB. Any questions dito mga mens? Tahimik ang chat. Any questions? Yes or no? Okay, thank you, Ms. Janet. yes, kung let's say, dito sa example na to, 5 yung napa-join mo na silver, then not only nakuha mo yung RQV, meron ka pang give me 5 commission, di ba? Or kaya 4 na gold yung napa-join mo, meron ka pang just for you bonus. So, pasok lahat. Talagang may income, tsaka big team pag nag-rank up ka. Kailangan kumbaga yung pag-rank up mo is i-focus mo and serious na rank up talaga na goal mo. Alright? So, ito is just another way to demonstrate yung pag rank up. So, copper to bronze, 3 lang. Bronze to silver, 3 lang. Copper to silver, 5. Silver to gold, 3. Copper to gold, 8 plus mover. Left and right. Hope I did not confuse you, no? I'm jumping up to sapphire and then sa ano. So, okay tayo sa sapphire, mga mens. Understood and clear naman yung sapphire, no? Sa mga hitting sapphire. Okay, thank you, Ms. Mabel. Ayan. Ms. Reveal. Okay, Ms. Mary Lou, thank you. Okay. So, okay. Share ko ulit. Okay. So, just real quick sa mga associate package na mag-upgrade, mag-rank up. Kahit rank up ka to gold, rank up lang, not upgraded to gold, hindi ka pa rin qualified sa just for you and give me 5. Kasi for you to have give me 5, kailangan paid package yung silver mo. Okay, rank up ka lang, which means lalaki lang yung income mo or pang silver or pang gold yung income mo, but hindi ka qualified to just for you. Kasi you have to paid package or upgrade to silver for give me 5 and upgrade or upgrade to gold, platinum, and jade to have just for you bonus ng gold, platinum, and jade. Okay. So there's a scenario sa pag-upgrade to gold. So let's say gold ka na ngayon like Men's Joe. Para mag-upgrade ka to platinum, which you need 4 direct referrals, na executive referrals like gold or higher, di ba? But what you can do, yung mga silver na nag-join sa'yo, pwede mo yan sila upgrade to gold. So again, same process. Yung mga silver mo, pwede mo silang i-upgrade to gold, which is 3 lang yung need nila. It doesn't have to be 3 silvers. It could be any packages. Okay? Para mag-upgrade to gold. So let's say in-upgrade mo meron kang itong 5 mong DRs na gusto mong kung hindi ka man makakuha ng bagong 5 executives, at least you can upgrade yung mga associate package holders mo. So silver, 3 lang need. Magiging gold na siya. So check na yan sa executive mo. And then yung copper, pa-join mo lang siya ng 8 plus may mag-mover sa left and right niya. And then same with the silver. So with that, meron ka ng 5 gold. So that means, kung gold ka, nagawa to lahat within a month, upgraded yung account, rank up yung account mo to platinum. 1 month to hit siya. Again, no just for you kung rank up. Okay? Sa Jade, walang rank up sa Jade. May questions pa ba tayo?
Yes, Meds.
Go ahead po.
So, pagka okay, silver to gold, and then nung nag-silver siya, naging mover na siya, and then once that she rank up to gold, kailangan pa ba rin ba niyang maging mover? And then after that, nag-rank up siya from gold to platinum, kailangan pa rin ba niyang mag-mover?
Yes, napaka-importante ang mover kasi even though may nag-upgrade sa sa baba, pending points mo naman yun sa sales match commission, di ba? Kasi hindi gagalaw yung ibang ways to earn kung hindi mover yung account mo. Ang makukuha mo lang is yung direct referral commission.
Okay, Mens, thank you.
Especially kung may napa-join ka sa isang side mo lang na hindi ka pa mover, 5 silver na pa-join mo, hindi mo makukuha yung give me 5 commission kung hindi ka pa mover. Na-answer ko ba yung question mo, Ms. Janet? So,
Yes, Mens, thank you.
pinaka talaga first is mag-mover yung account. Okay. So, we're good sa Jade. Sa Jade, again, walang rank up but upgrade lang. So, that's why special yung Jade natin, yung VIP package. So, sa mga gold package holder, meron tayong, speaking of upgrade, since one of our topics today, let me just go over that real quick. Yung need. One moment. So, again, meron tayong group page ha. So, sa mga need nyo ng upgrade or in information, meron tayo dito na sa albums natin. Para before either kayo mag-ask ng question, you can check sa albums natin, baka andun na. So, let's say sa mga gold package holder or copper, let's say, kung mag-upgrade ka, dito yung amount na idadagdag mo sa mga USA na clients or downlines. Okay, so kung mag-upgrade ka to bronze, 145 na lang idadagdag mo. Again, meron ka makukuha products. Kung jade, 4,000. Actually, 4,200 na ang ating jade. Then bronze, again, easy to understand naman yan. No? Hindi ko na i-elaborate yan. Andyan naman na yung, just let me know kung may questions ka pa rin. Alright. And that's for USA. Andito rin yung ating quick lang naman tong upgrade. So, sa sana yun? Ayan. So, kapag copper or bronze, silver ka at mag-upgrade ka to jade, 198,800 pesos pa rin yung babayaran mo. Okay? So, that's why some of us pushing na diretso na jade kung kaya naman. Kasi kung maglalabas ka ng silver amount, hindi naman sayang kasi may products naman, but sobra yung binayaran mo. 198,800 plus silver amount, which is 16,800, di ba? Kung kaya naman diretso to jade, 198,000 kasi pareho yung babayaran mo pa rin. Hindi siya madideduct sa binayad mo na original na package mo. And then kung gold ka and you're planning within 1 year mag-upgrade, 180,000 pesos na lang kung nasa Pinas or sa Pinas natin i-process. 180,000 pesos yung idadagdag. And then, platinum to jade, kung platinum ka na, 100,000 na lang idadagdag mo. You have options kung anong products yung kunin mo. Alright? Okay tayo sa upgrade ng Mens.
Mens, I have a question ulit. Sorry ha, ang dami kong tanong.
That's good.
Okay. So, pag once na may downline ka, okay, so silver package siya, nag-upgrade to jade. Okay, so then sa kabila mo, may isa ka ng jade. Do you still get, okay, so for example, yung silver nag-join ng March, nag-upgrade siya in May. Okay?
Mhm.
Tapos, yung isa ngayon, meron ka ng Jade na waiting points mo yon for your yung ano, I mean, yeah, yung para sa sales match mo. Makukuha
Mhm.
mo ba yung sales match commission mo kahit na yung nag-upgrade lang yung silver?
Yes, yung pending points yes, madadagdag naman but not the RQV.
Yeah, because nag-join nauna yung silver in March, right?
Mhm.
Parang ganon. So nahuli siya. So paano yung sales match commission mo? Makukuha mo ba yung J to J, that is how much? Like 25,000, right?
No, total lang yun if talagang yung sales match mo is umabot ng 25,000.
Oo, pagka
Pag,
nag-match yung dalawang Jade mo ngayon.
right.
Kasi
I mean,
upgrade lang yung isa.
pag sales match ng Jade is 10,000 kasi 5,000 sa left, 5,000 sa right. 'Di ba?
Makukuha pa rin ba yung, okay, 5,000 to 5,000, makukuha mo pa rin yung sales match commission mo or hindi na? Kasi yung original package na kinuha sa'yo was silver.
I think kung madadagdag pa yung points pag nag-upgrade to Jade, yung question mo.
Yes,
Yan ba
Mens.
yun? Yeah,
Kasi
kasi
may waiting ka sa kabila mo
yeah, yeah.
Meron kang Jade sa kabila, tapos itong napa-join mo ngayon na silver, gusto niya ngayon mag-upgrade,
Mhm.
makukuha mo ba yung sales match commission mo? Yun. Yun ang tanong ko.
You mean yung sales match na pending points? Yes, kasi
Yes.
yes,
So,
makukuha naman talaga yung sales match basta may nalagay kang tao or may nag-join sa kabila, 'di ba? So, that's a good question kasi it was the RQV na
yeah, the RQV,
60 days.
hindi
Mm-mm.
siya mag-aano kasi nauna na siya nung March. Yung
Right, hindi na siya
wala
pwede
ka ng
if more
RQV
than 60
doon, hindi ka
days.
na pwede. Yes, but
Mhm.
the sales match commission, yun yung gusto kong alamin. Kasi let's
Right.
say may nag-join sa ng silver last year. Gusto niya ngayon mag-upgrade. Hindi na siya kasi pwedeng 'di ba? 1 year lang yun yung waiting period natin. So all of a
Mhm.
sudden nag-decide siya na, you know what? I want to upgrade my silver package to Jade.
Right.
Tapos
That's a
may
good
waiting
question,
ka sa
Miss Anne.
kabila mo. Oo.
Hindi natin yan na-tackle, but that's a good question. Sige, i-parking lot ko yan. Silver to Jade, sales match na
Or
points, di ba?
Men's any package like yung gold, nag-upgrade sila to Jade.
Right.
Tapos may Jade ka sa kabila mo na nag-aantay ka ngayon ng iyong
Right.
ng ima-match mo siya ngayon.
Yeah, kasi kung silver nag-start, it's 500 lang, di ba? When Jade
Yes.
is, oh, yeah.
Kasi yung RQV points mo, wala na hindi mo na siya makukuha. Nawala na yon. Tapos, yung na lang, yung sales match commission mo, ang mo.
Show ko yung natin. Sales match. I think it's right on time kung ano yung package yun lang. I'll show you in 1 second. Kasi yun yung sinasabi na dapat higher package right away para makuha yung ayan. Let me show you. Okay. So, ito yun. So, Jade, it's same thing sa, like ikaw, Jade package holder ka, Ms. Janet, di ba? So, nag-join yung, nag-silver. And si
Or
silver is
gold,
500.
kumuha ng gold.
Or let's say gold, 1,500 yung malalagay dyan.
Yes, yung RQV points
And
mo.
then nag-upgrade to Jade, which supposed to be dapat 5,000, di ba? So since sa pag-join niya, niya i-base, but I'll double check kasi ito yung laging ini-explain kung ano yung package niya sa pag-join, yun lang yung makukuha mo. I know sa RQB, it will, hindi na siya pwede or wala ka na makukuha RQB points if it's more than 60 days. But that's a good question. I-confirm ko yan. Kasi from 1.5, kung nag-upgrade to Jade, so dapat meron kang 3.5 na additional. Right? Yan ba yung pinapoint mo?
Yes.
Yeah.
Kasi kung sa left mo, may nag-join na sa yung Jade, 'di ba? So ngayon, nag-workout ka ngayon sa yung right side. So ngayon yung gold package mo or silver package mo na kumuha under you, nag-decide ngayon na mag-Jade, nag-upgrade to Jade, makukuha mo ba yung sales match mo doon? Kasi may sales match yan, 'di ba? Platinum to platinum, gold to gold.
Yeah, ito
Still,
yun.
yeah, makukuha mo ba or hindi kasi ibang month na siya nag-upgrade.
Right. Yes, i-confirm ko yung remaining 3.5 if merong time frame, just like sa RQB. So, yun
Sabi
yun.
ni Mentor Maribel, naglagay siya ng
Okay,
ng
yun.
message
Yes,
sa
makukuha
chat
yung
box.
additional sales match. Oh, within 60 days pa
Within
rin.
60 days.
The same
Okay.
sa RQB, so that's good. Thank you, Mentor Maribel.
Thank you, Mentor Bell. So, yung mga nag-join na less than 1 year na gusto nilang i-upgrade yung kanilang package to from gold to platinum or jade, yung ano nila, yung direct mentor nila, hindi na makukuha yung sales match commission. Am I right?
Yeah, wala nang points if more than 60 days.
Got it. Okay,
Same sa
thank you.
RQB. Thank you, Dan. All right, so mga mens, we can continue part 2. Kasi meron tayong give me 1 second. So that's a good question, Mentor Maribel. Pero okay lang ba? We can continue part 2 tomorrow. Or maybe not tomorrow sa kasi may naka-English IBP na tayo na scheduled tomorrow. So I don't want to bombard you din sa mga more information kasi matagal talaga tong So, continue natin on Wednesday, promise, kasi meron akong need na ang tawag nito, ipipick up. So,
Okay.
okay.
No, thank you.
Pero
Thank
we're
you,
on time
Mentor
na rin naman.
Janice.
So, I don't want to
Yeah.
take too much of your time sa iba, no? So, yeah, keep your questions kung meron kayo. And thank you, Mentor Maribel, for joining us din. Okay, walang give me 5 or just for you bonus if rank up yung account mo, Mens Rabil. It has to be paid package. Upgrade ka to silver or gold or higher to have those bonuses. Okay? All right. Thank you mga men sa mga nag-ask, nag-participate sa time nyo ngayon. Picture muna tayo. All right. Picture time mga men, if you can open your camera. Ready na si Mens Evelyn, no? Nakaganyan na. Ready na umalis si Mens Evelyn sa appointment niya. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Wala nang mag-open camera. Okay, 1, 2, 3. All right. Thank you, mga mens. Let's have a closing prayer. If you could give us a closing prayer, Mentor Evelyn. Thank you, mens.
In the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Amen. Thank you, Lord, for this wonderful training about how to rank up. It may be very difficult for the new ones to comprehend, Lord, but we know in time at sa pag-sige namin, matututunan po namin lahat ito. So, that's our head, our mind, and our heart, Lord, na maintindihan namin at ma-share properly how our business ranking up is. At sana, Panginoon ko, na dumami pa rin po ang mga napalago namin ng aming business at ma-handle namin ang mga rejection. And we just have to keep pushing it dahil naniniwala kami, Lord, na sabi mo nga na kami nagkakalat ng prosperity at naway magawa namin ng tama ang mga business na ito. At sa mga pagkukulang po namin lahat, bigyan mo po kami ng a gift of understanding sa bawat isa, rather than committing ourselves to the wrongdoing. So as we end, Lord, salamat muli at bukas magsisimula po muli ang aming training or IBP. So we ask you to always guide us and give us another fruitful day, not just today, but each day. All this we ask in the mighty name of your Son, Jesus, who lives and reigns with you forever and ever. Amen.
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 the
Thank you
Father,
so
Son,
much,
and Holy
Mentor Evelyn.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mens. Thank you.
Thank you, Mans.
Thank you, mga mens. All right. See you.
Thank you,
Wednesday
Mentor
sa part
Janice.
2.
Thank you.
Tayo
Yeah,
Thank you,
naman
thank
mag
Mentor
part 2.
Janice. Thank you, Mans.
All right, mga mens, bye.